When I started UI design, gradients almost ruined my designs. I used too many colors and everything looked messy. So in this my video, I'll show you how I finally learned to apply gradients properly. Stay with me. I thought gradients were just mixing random colors, so I used blue, pink, purple, but everything. But my designs looked so childish. But the good news is that the breakthrough came when I stopped guessing and started studying real designs. So if gradient confuse you, don't worry, it's normal. Just practice, copy good designs and keep it simple. So follow me for more real UI UX lessons. Like I do tell you guys, I'm also a learner. I'm not yet a senior designer. So that's why I create this channel, to showcase, to show what I practice, to show what I learn, so that learners like me can have a platform where they can interact with each other. You get? So if you like what I'm doing and you love my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and then comment where you're watching from. Also share to your friends, maybe they might be interested, because this 2026 UI UX design is a very important skill to know, because you can earn at the comfort of your home. It's a widely needed skill worldwide, so don't miss.